Cats usually teach the dogs where the pecking order is.
Oh, without a doubt.
He owned the pack from the very first minute. He wasn't at all shy about taking what he wanted. He would lay in the middle of one of the large dog beds and he would take their spot on the bed. He would eat from their bowl. They got into a rhythm so quickly. And Lincoln wants to play. Finnegan is absolutely a dog that he goes to. Finnegan loves to be chased around.
Finnegan, listen.
If he starts to play with them, they won't be shy about playing back. I think they understand his limitations.